Are you planning a trip to Disney World? Look no further. In this video, we'll take you through the top things to do in Disney World, from thrilling rides to magical experiences. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Disney fan, this guide has something for everyone. Join us as we explore the wonders of Disney World. Walt Disney World Resort, often called the most magical place on Earth, lives up to its name. It has 4 theme parks, 2 water parks, and lots of entertainment and dining options. Disney World has something for everyone, whether you're an adult looking for thrills or a kid full of wonder. But with so much to do, it can be overwhelming. Here's a guide to the best things to do at Disney World, making sure your trip is full of great memories. Feel like a kid again at the Magic Kingdom. The Magic Kingdom is where Disney magic comes to life. Cinderella Castle is the centerpiece, inviting you to explore classic Disney stories. Fly with Peter Pan on Peter Pan's Flight, ride through Space on Space Mountain, or take a gentle cruise on the Jungle Cruise. Meet your favorite characters, watch parades, and see the amazing nighttime show, Disney Enchantment. Travel the world at Epcot. Epcot is a mix of global cultures and future tech. Walk around the World Showcase to experience 11 countries' cultures and foods. Try French pastries, admire Japanese architecture, or fly over the Great Wall of China. In Future World, test your driving skills on Test Track, go on a space adventure on Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind, or soar around the world on Soarin'. Enjoy movie magic at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Movie fans will love Hollywood Studios, where you can explore Disney and Pixar movie worlds. Experience the thrill of Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance, laugh with Woody and Buzz in Toy Story Land, or join the Incredibles on the Incredicoaster. Don't miss live shows like Beauty and the Beast, live on stage. Discover nature at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Experience the magic of nature and wildlife at Animal Kingdom. Glide through the breathtaking bioluminescent rainforests of Pandora on the exhilarating Avatar Flight of Passage. Journey through the African savanna on Kilimanjaro's safaris, where you can witness majestic animals up close. Step back in time on the dinosaur ride and encounter prehistoric creatures, or enjoy a thrilling adventure on the Kali River Rapids. Animal Kingdom offers a unique blend of excitement and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for animal lovers and adventure seekers alike. Have fun at the water parks. Beat the heat at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach. Typhoon Lagoon has slides, a wave pool, and a lazy river. Blizzard Beach offers winter-themed slides, a huge water slide, and even a chance to build a snowman, well, a soundman. More than just parks. Unique experiences. Disney World has more than just parks. Watch a Cirque du Soleil show at Disney Springs, a shopping and dining area. Explore the themed Disney resorts, each with its own style and dining options. Take a gondola ride on Disney Skyliner for great views. For a special treat, try a character dining experience. Delicious dining at Disney World. Disney World has food for every taste. Try a Mickey Mouse-shaped pretzel, a Dole Whip, pineapple soft serve, or a drink at one of the outdoor lounges. Where to stay? To really immerse yourself in the Disney magic, stay at one of the Disney World resorts. Here are 3 top choices. Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Enjoy a tropical paradise with a volcanic pool and delicious Polynesian food. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Wake up to nature and see exotic animals from your balcony. Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Experience Victorian elegance with a luxurious spa and delightful dining options. Planning your Disney World vacation. Planning a Disney World trip can be overwhelming. Here are some tips for a magical experience. Use the My Disney Experience app to manage your reservations, view wait times, and order food. Consider buying Genie Plus to reserve ride times and save time in line. Plan your days based on your interests and use apps like touring plans to avoid crowds. Relax and enjoy the magic. Disney World is all about creating lasting memories. With a bit of planning, your trip will be amazing. That concludes our guide to the best things to do in Disney World. We hope you found it helpful in planning your magical adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon at Disney World.